So I've got a mess on my hands over here. It is long, it needs to be cleaned up. And I have yet to be able to get over here or in the backyard to clean up the thatch. The grass is wet, so it's just kind of clumping up. I tried to do this yesterday over there, and it was just issues, clumping grass. So the rotary mower is caked with debris and just kind of nasty grass on the underside of the deck. So I'm gonna take some time to kind of clean that. So see what happened to the blades there? Those were all squared off right there. That's the sand just tearing the blades apart. So this is a 14 millimeter. Oh my gosh, holy freaking crap. Okay, so check out these mower blades. This is the one that I just barely took off. And this is the one that I had on there last season right here. So you can see right here, it's totally blunt. There's no sharp edge at all. And it's worn that down quite a bit. These blades are in tough shape. Looks like I'm gonna have to buy some new blades. So I'm just gonna sharpen these up, put them back on there, and then do some more vacuuming. So you never wanna do this with your blades without taking the spark plug off. I watched a video of Mr. Ryan Knorr sharpening his blades or changing his blades or doing something, that he didn't take the spark plug out, and that engine could start going on him. And so he failed on that one, because as you're turning that, the engine could fire up and cut your finger off or your hand off. So Ryan, you failed on that, and so I win this round because I did the spark plug. Someone was asking me a video or two ago why I started the machine up, pulled this handle down, and then wrapped this cord around here like this. The reason that I did that, this lever has to be depressed like this in order for the engine to run. If you let go of the lever like this, the engine dies. So there's the wax coupler thing with the choke, and it has to warm up before it will let the choke off. And so I like to just wrap the cord around here, and then I can walk away while the engine warms up. So that's why I do that, and it works great. Watch, so I'll start mowing in some deep, heavy grass, and the engine will just kill on it. See? So that's the issue that I get. I've lost my RPM. So I've got to come over back here, mess with the throttle cable. Well, that's a pisser. Now she's not going to start, period. Project is just slow because I have to empty the bag about every one pass that I make, because there's a lot of material that I'm cleaning up. I kind of let it grow a lot longer than I should have because it kept raining and my life had other things going on, so I kind of had to put it on the back burner. California knows how to party. California knows how to party. In the city of LA. In the city of Compton. So that's pretty well all I can do. All my trash cans are full. So I need to go and dump these and dispose of all the grass. And then I'll come back and do some more. Put some water on the lawn. It's a little bit windy out here. It's been raining a lot lately, but nothing that really amounts to anything. So the lawn just feels a little crispy, so I want to get some water on it. And it's straight up brown over here where the vole damage is. So it's reaching about to here, so hopefully I'm not just gonna blow the water away with the wind and that it actually gets down where I want it. 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of water should be sufficient. So this will be an interesting project to see if I can renovate that section where the voles really damaged the turf. I think with fertilizer and some water, I think over the course of a month or two, I think I can get it back. So I love the look of wet grass. It's awesome how it kind of shines, it looks green. Just, it's a beautiful sight, especially when it's freshly mowed. So I have been hand mowing for about 4 hours, and holy crap, that is insane. So I have not done any fertilizer applications at all this year. I think we are towards the end of April, the 27th, and it is time to put my first application of fertilizer down. I just need to make sure I get my soil samples first. And then I'm gonna put down my fertilizer, put down my prodiamine. I need to do that right away. So I am done mowing for today. I just wanna come back here and see what's going on with my watering over here. So here it is. There's this much water in there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's that much. So I can kind of see where the water's getting. Over here, the water is not getting, obviously that side's brown. It's going way over there. I should really move it this way.
I freaking hate the Lawn Rebel. Got grass?